And we're hours away from the beginning of jury selection in the federal hate crime case against Travis and Gregory McMichael. The men found guilty of murdering 25-year-old Ahmaud Arbery will be back in the courtroom this week. News4Jax reporter Marilyn Parker joins us live. Marilyn, details surrounding this trial are being finalized this weekend.
Yeah, Travis McMichael withdrawing his plea on Friday. Potential juror questionnaires had to be mailed by yesterday, and I'm told it's not uncommon for negotiations to be made up to the very last minute, but there's no turning back for the men facing a federal prison sentence. This won't be an easy trial to sit through. The McMichaels' motive is on the line. Attorneys not associated with the case say the hate in the father and son's heart is what the government is set out to prove.
Anything that they have been able to find to show that not only did these gentlemen commit these crimes, which they did and we know they did, but they did it with an awful intent in their hearts and a hate in their hearts because of his race.
Here are some instances where race was brought up in the state's case. In pretrial hearings, a Superior Court judge heard motions to allow racist text messages and social media posts made or shared by the McMichaels for the jury to review. Greg McMichael told police the black man was trapped like a rat and told Arbery to stop or I'll blow your effing head off. A special agent testified during preliminary hearings that William Roddy Bryan said he heard Travis McMichael say a racial slur to Arbery seconds after he shot him. The same agent testified saying Travis used the N-word when he made a statement that he loved his job because he's out on a boat and there aren't any N-words anywhere. Travis McMichael's attorney made sure his former plea deal, where he was planning to admit killing Ahmaud Arbery was racially motivated, can't be brought up in the federal trial.
Well, you can expect that both McMichaels spent the entire week and probably month preparing to go to prison, federal prison, for the rest of their lives, not only from an emotional standpoint for the defendants of not being able to resolve their case. Now they do have to sit in front of a jury and fight the charges the federal government has brought.
In May, News4Jax reported motions filed in this federal case point to an enormous amount of records, including more than 180 federal grand jury subpoenas, search warrants, recordings, witness interviews, and jail calls. William Bryan's attorney did file a motion asking that certain evidence be excluded from the case. We don't know what that evidence was, but the judge made no rulings that day, and we're told specific evidence won't be heard before the trial starts. Tonight on News4Jax at 11, we explain the jury selection process and how there's going to be a chance that it'll be much faster for this federal case. Live in the newsroom, Marilyn Parker, Channel 4, the local station.